unquestionably the star of the show, Mercedes' new 3.0-liter, twin-turbo V6 is a hoot. More than any other piece of this car, it feels like a true product of AMG. It revs fast and fierce to its 6,500 revolutions per minute redline, and sounds damn good along the way, thanks to the AMG performance exhaust. And with all 384 pound-feet of torque on offer between 2,000 and 4,200 revolutions per minute, it always feels like the punch you're asking for is readily available. Mercedes went far enough with the C450's engine, but it didn't with the transmission. The C450 uses Merc's long-serving 7G-tronic automatic. It's fine if you leave it in full automatic and the drivetrain in comfort. It's less fine if you switch to Sport or Sport Plus. And it's really not fine at all if you select the full manual mode. It's quick on wide-open throttle upshifts and other aggressive situations, but it stumbles on downshifts. We found ourselves clicking the left paddle 2 or 3 times trying to force the 7-speed automatic to drop down. It was similarly fickle around town, where the gearbox just wasn't keen on shifting up.